Hello, this is Dr. Shannon Herr, and today I'm going to answer the question, is it safe to give adjustments to children? Chiropractic for children is very safe and can be very beneficial in relieving asthma, colic, bedwetting, earaches, and many other childhood conditions. Adjustments for children are very different from adults and are very low force. Thanks for checking out my video. For more information about chiropractic care and how it can help you, please visit chiropractorinbuffalo.com, or if you have any specific questions, please feel free to give me a call at 716-204-8955. Again, this is Dr. Shannon Herr from Neck and Back Pain Relief Chiropractic, because you don't have time to be in pain.